So blood, sweat and tears. I've never done this tyre change before because it's that Tubliss system. Interior bladder, which runs at 100 psi. Don't want to let go, do you? Give me my rim. Come on. This one really doesn't want to let go. I've got both feet in now. Should be able to crank it up. Whew. I tell you what. That was. I got my money's worth out of it, shall we say. 7,000 miles roughly on this. 7,000. It's a lot of miles. Oh, I got wheel leaks. Yeah, it's here. Here's the weak point. Right here. Right here's the weak point. Got it. Get it off the rim. Spray it a load. Pump it back up again. That's the procedure. Das is the procedure. There was one tiny bit where the rim didn't seal. We need to get it up in there. Can you hear that? Pushing everything out. Just popping the seal on. Right, I think we're looking good. If this all works, I might have to celebrate with a beer. Up to 20 psi. No, it's closer to 40. Okay, 37 psi. Okay, and that looks like it's on. I think that's good. Let's give it a little. Let's give it a little stand up. I can't see any bubbles. Let's give it a little stand up. Can't hear anything. Cannot hear any air escaping. I'll tell you what. I'm not going to do the victory dance because I'm going to leave it overnight. Let's put the caps back on. Where did I put the red cap?